Hi everyone! So today's video, I am so excited once again I am excited about because I'm teaming up again with a brand that I fall in love. I will say the first time I tried and saw and felt their brand physically, because it is truly high quality brand, and I'm so proud that I have this opportunity to talk about this brand and introduce you guys, or just give the message out if there's anything new. So I teamed up again with the brand VIVAIA. If you have watched my videos, I have already I think 2 videos teaming up with them, collaborating with them, and those I will leave down below so you can check out those videos if you're interested. So basically how this brand started from the very beginning, they started as a recycled bottle kind of shoe brand, very sustainable, eco-friendly brand that really takes care of Mother Earth and also creates amazing shoes that are so comfortable and sustainable and of course eco-friendly, which is all I'm about here. So today's video I'm gonna review and talk about their very new kind of collections they came out, and I'm so excited that this brand is growing and glowing and just rising, because it's beautiful, you know, when you are so successful, your brand is so good and people love it and you can grow in it, and it's amazing, and I'm so happy to support them in this journey. I felt like I had to open the window to have more light, so I'm not looking very shadowy here because it is afternoon. Sorry. So they have launched another shoe lines. I will say just a bunch of new different designs. They have now not only the low like ballerinas, but they have now slippers, they have sneakers, they have boots, like anything you need they have. Honestly, like when I saw the designs I was like so intrigued, like how different they are, you know, yet very classy and elegant, and some are actually they're all very classy and elegant. There's nothing like too much crazy, which I like about the brand. It stays in its own like style, very high quality, classy, elegant, minimalistic, and like very versatile. And for their new clothing line that they have launched different tops, kind of starting from vests, jumpers, sweaters, and blouses, kind of like crop tops. You can check them out. They're all so cute, so beautiful. Now it's coming autumn time, winter time, so it's the best time to get yourself some new jumper, you know, if you will. And the best part about this is that these all jumpers and sweaters, they're all high quality materials. I actually, when I first entered the page, I was like, okay, why is this costing so much? But then I started to read about the actual products and I was actually amazed. They are making such high quality products because all the jumpers are either, all the clothes are either wool fabric or cashmere, which, let's be honest, cashmere is one of the, if not the expensive, like kind of jumper material out there. So yeah, and they also have mixed ingredient materials, which consist from mulberry silk, which is I think the highest quality silk out there, and then there's also recycled materials in it, and lyocell fabric, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, they're all very high quality materials. So I was super excited to actually get that cashmere jumper and feel how it feels, because to be honest, I'm not spending much on my clothes, as I said before, and if I have a cashmere jumper in my closet, I will probably wear it every single day, because I will feel like it's so precious and it needs to be worn and it needs to be out there. So yeah guys, today I will review and unbox the products I want to share with you guys, and I will start of course with the cashmere jumper kind of sweater that I chose. It took me so long to choose the sweater I want, because I was thinking, okay, but what if it's too hot? But what if it's too cold? What if this one I will never wear because it's not gonna be that cold? But what if this one will not really look nice on me? So it was so hard to choose, but at the end At the end I actually asked my daughter to choose from two options I choose, and she chose this one, so I thought, okay, that's the one. So first it comes in the certified compostable bag. It's 100% biodegradable and compostable. There's all the labels you need to know about the materials and all. It's like a baby blue, sky blue color. Very cute. At first I wanted black, but then I thought I have too much black clothes, and maybe let's have some little bit of color in our wardrobe. So yeah, this is like a oversized. I will better show in the video how it looks at me, because in the video here I cannot show, but it's like a turtleneck, like a long turtleneck, oversized sweater, and it has like this like saggy arm portion, and a little cuts on both sides, and it has the tag coming, high quality tag, I will say. It says that VIVAIA's mission is to create stylish, sustainable and eco-friendly clothing and footwear, focusing on positive impacts on the world and the people. Very nice inside. That's the only part where they added the little tag, which shows that it is 96% cashmere and 3.7% ethical wool. So very high quality materials used, so definitely you will be using this forever and ever, and maybe your daughters and grandmas can use these, because the high quality materials I think is the most valuable one, because spending on cheap clothes, yes, it's cheap and probably great for a short time, but when you spend on really high quality materials, you spend not only for the material but also for the time, for the life of the cloth, because it will stay with you for much longer. So I'm very happy that I got this jumper. It is so, like, I cannot say how soft this material it is. I'm very scared to actually wash it, because I don't know how to treat cashmere. I don't know. I'm scared I'm gonna wash it and it's gonna become 3 sizes smaller, so I definitely need to check out how to properly wash it. It's even written here. So yeah, and I chose this size small as always, and it's just the perfect size for me. I really love it. It's the best thing ever. Then I have 2 shoes to share with you guys, also something from the new collections they have. And also it was very hard for me to choose, because I literally didn't know what I need in my life. So the first shoes I chose is actually a slides, like home slides, I will say, because the shoes I chose before in previous video, I also said I'm gonna actually use it at home probably, because they're so comfy and kind of chic. So I thought I need like more pricey, expensive, very elegant home shoes. But when I saw that they're actually now making home shoes, I was like, okay, I'm in for it, because I love feeling comfortable at home. I loved all those comfy things, blankets, pillows, home shoes, candles, everything comfy. Give me that. And these are called Lauren. Let me read about them. This is contemporary pair of round toe slides, features a bold retro-inspired design with a high instep that's ideal for fitting feet of all shapes and sizes. So it's very bouncy and comfy, fits for wide feet, it's anti-slip rubber outsoles, and packaged with 100% recycled cardboard, of course. So here they are. They have different colors. I think they have 3 different colors. I chose these kind of coral orange ones in the size 36. I cannot. They're just so cute and so soft. When I saw the inside of them, that they're like a it's of course vegan, but it's like a suede and it's so soft and bouncy. I was like, oh my god, these are gonna be so comfortable. Like I cannot wait to wear them. Finally, I'm showing you guys and I'm straight away putting them on. But yeah, these are made also from recycled materials. They are antimicrobial and breathable, and yeah, I really love them. Super cute and very, very high quality. Like I cannot stress enough how high quality these shoes are. And they have all kinds of different designs now for these home slides. I'm sure people wearing them outside as well. This is the new fashion to wear the home slides also outside. But yeah, they're super. And the last shoes that I chose are sneakers, because when I saw that they have sneakers now, I was like, I gotta try this, even though I was a bit scared that they will be like not that very stiff and hard material, but oh my god guys, I am shocked. So these are called Evermore sneakers in peanut brown color, size 36. They look also very chic, like just look at them, and they are just perfect. Like I'm looking everywhere trying to find something I can pick on and say like, this is not that good, here's I can see some glue, but literally like they are perfect from head to toe. Like even Nikes don't make anymore this perfect sneakers, you know? I don't know why, what's wrong with Nikes, but whenever I go and check their shoes, they always have like this part is with glue and it's not very high quality anymore, and I don't know why will they even pay for that anymore, you know? Anyways, so yeah, these are made from 6 recycled plastic bottles, same like before they had the ballerinas I chose, and they look so good. They are so sleek in the design, and they're not like super wide and big looking at my feet. They're just very elegant, and I see wearing them a lot with like dresses and stuff and skirts. They will be like those very like classic elegant sneakers to pair with. You pay for what you get, and you definitely pay for the quality right here and more of everything. I'm so happy that they are again a very conscious brand looking towards being eco-friendly and sustainable. So yeah, thumbs up for that. So yeah, these are the 3 items that I got from the new collections they introduced lately, and I just wanted to also pop in a little bit the previous items I tried from their brand, to also give a little bit review from that, how it's been wearing and all. The very first shoes that I actually got from them was these ballerinas, black ones, and I already that time was so in love. They are very comfy, I gotta say, they're very comfy, but I will not lie, little bit dirty. I will not lie that I don't wear these a lot, because me personally, I like them only with jeans. Like I don't like how I look with these when I wear a dress. It's too much classic for me and elegant. I'm not that elegant, you know. But I wear them only with jeans, which means I wear them mostly only in winter, because in Dubai in summer I don't wear jeans. So these I wear mostly in winter time with the jeans and some blouse. But I definitely love them. They're super easy to just pop on and run, go shopping, do other stuff, errands, and so comfy and super classy. Again, very good material. They still haven't broke, so high quality. And yeah, I cannot breathe. I'm really out of breath today. And the other shoes I chose from the last video I had with VIVAIA was these ones, the sliders also, but these are with a little heel. As I said in the last video, I'm gonna wear these probably at home, which ended up true. I really wear these at home. These are my home shoes. My husband hates that I wear these sometimes because the heel is like this very hard wood, you know. So whenever I walk on the tiles, it makes sound like click, 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 and he hates that sound. But for me, it's so funny because I remember my childhood. I had clogs, you know, the wooden clogs like from Netherlands, like that kind of design, Holland clogs, and I had those. And I remember I was small, I think I was like 6 years old, and I had them, and I was so like those were my favorite home shoes because I had little heel and they were always making this sound click, 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 click. But I remember my brothers always hated those shoes. They always said like, remove them, they're so loud. So this reminds me a lot of those shoes with the sound. And yeah, other than that, these are super comfy and I really love them. I'm so happy I will have now 2 pairs of home shoes so I can change them from time to time, you know. Healthy for the feet to sometimes change the shoes for the home also. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I'm so happy for everything I chose and the quality. I'm like I don't know, I feel good, you know. I feel happy to talk about brands that are really like amazing from start to bottom. They're high quality, they have their basics base already set up for what they're going for, which is sustainable and eco-friendly brand. I love it, and they're just easy to get, you know. Just go online and order it. So yeah guys, I will leave all the information as always down below, and of course I get you a discount code so you can save up a little bit from these items if you are choosing something for yourself. Definitely try it. I love this brand. I swear I'm not lying here sitting and bubbling something. I really say that this is amazing, and I'm happy to see where this brand is growing, and I wish them all the best. So yeah guys, I hope you also enjoyed this video. Let me know if you had already tried VIVAIA products and what you think about them, because I want to know if you think you are in the same way with me. So yeah guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.